Hi guys, welcome to MyGrowth OnPoint, a live stream for today. Sorry about disconnecting a few minutes ago. I'm experiencing a few technical difficulties at the moment. So let's dive right into Bitcoin. As you can see, it's a chilly winter situation. It's really consolidating into this area. It's almost a month now. If we look at the dates, on the daily, the consolidation started 22nd June and we're now at 21 July, so it's basically a full month. But just to give you an idea what happened the previous time it consolidated for such a long time was over here on the 16,000 range, and it started there on the 11th of November and we only started going back up 11 January, so it was 2 full months of sideways movement, a ranging market. But after that the Bitcoin price doubled, so I'll take courage from that. If it went from here at the lows 15.7 to, we did see 31 at times, it means if it can do the same thing, and we are at 30 now, and it's consolidating, it's forming such a strong support, then there's hope for 60k within 2 months or so from now. So it moving upwards for now. Let's just see on the 4 hour if there are trading opportunities. I will be careful, especially with the weekend coming of Bitcoin. It's really only ranging and there's no indication, even volume wise. The volume is not picking up significantly. Nothing is giving us indication that it's reversing now. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, it's also not managing to get past this very strong resistance, which means the Bitcoin influence is actually decreasing, or the portion of the market that they are taking up. And that's great news for altcoins, and that's what we're seeing the past few days, that altcoins are actually spiking. Link had a fantastic rally, and XRP yield some great profit. So hang in there and enjoy the alts. They are really great opportunities. If you can have a look at a few quickly, and while I'm searching for them, I just want to remind you that we are having our Zoom get together 2 o'clock this afternoon. You are welcome. Invite your friends, come and chat about the markets. We are going to discuss some items that we have covered in our leverage trading course. So if you have questions about the content of the leverage trading course, please join us. Let's have a nice discussion. And then I quickly want to show you again, Litecoin is starting to remove. It seems my target of 84 USDT is not going to happen unless there's a serious pullback during the weekend. Then I might get that sweet entry. For now I'm in the trade with a shorter or a smaller amount, so I'm okay. If it goes up from here, I'm covered. If it comes down, then I get Litecoin at a bonus, and I'm pretty sure it will go back up based on the halving. AGLD didn't turn out quite as I expected. It actually went up instead of down, but one that did work out nicely, just see if I still have it, was OP. OP was the one. You will see there on the 4 hours. We did chat about this one on Tuesday and said it could go either up or down from the pennant, and it actually went up. So if it continues on that rejection, there's quite some nice profit there. Something you could have a look at is LPT. It came sharply down, a nice morning star pattern right there, and MACD is crossing up, RSI is crossing up, volume is picking up, so LPT is really looking good. If anybody knows how to get a Hardy-Dar soft in an air fryer, please let me know. I've got a few that's bothering me. And let's see, that's LPT. DYDX is also not looking too bad. It formed a cup and handle over here. It retested the neckline of the handle, and it's now on its way up. So a whole lot of volume coming here into DYDX. MACD crossing up, stochastic RSI. If we take a look at it on the daily chart, we have a W pattern here that's been retested. We've got imbalances here at the top. That's not one. No, sorry, there's a very small imbalance over there. So no, imbalances are not a factor. They have all been filled. But we do have the W. And we have our MACD and our volume picking up on the daily and the 4 hour. It's giving us nice green lights for a trade. Another coin to have a look at is BNB, and I know I often talk about BNB, but it's really looking strong at the moment. It gave us a nice bullish engulfing here. Same thing, volume, MACD and stochastic RSI picking up. If you watch the daily, you will see it's been forming higher highs now for quite some time. There's been at its lowest on 28 June, and we've had some since then, only higher highs, higher lows and higher highs. There are huge imbalances here to the top that it will chase. So if you just hunt for the first one, there's 10%. If you hunt the second one, there's 22%. So BNB is really something to keep in mind over the next few weeks. That is all from me for today. I hope I see you 2 o'clock on our Zoom call. Otherwise, we chat again on Tuesday.